We've certainly covered a lot of ground in less than an hour, but there's no hurry. It doesn't really matter whether it takes you 1 week or 6 months to complete the Madison Central. The fun is in the journey. That's what really counts. We hope you've enjoyed your introduction to the world's greatest hobby, and I encourage you to come back to this tape often as your layout takes shape in your own home. Stop by your local hobby shop. Check out an issue of Model Railroader or one of their great how-to books for additional reference. Good luck. Maybe I'll see you down the line. Until then, happy model railroading.
Just getting into training? Model Railroader has been finding the fun in model trains every month for over 65 years. While Classic Toy Trains is the magazine for operators and collectors of toy trains from yesteryear and today.
You may not be working on a real railroad, but you want your models to look and operate just like one. Kato Unitrack gives you just that. A layout that goes together easily, operates reliably, and looks good. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, you'll find Unitrack lets you get to the fun and excitement of model railroading like no other track system, in HO and N scale. Unitrack from Kato, manufacturer of precision railroad models.
At Walthers, we're proud to say welcome to model railroading. Since 1932, we've been helping beginners and experts alike increase their knowledge and enjoyment of this great hobby. Our reference books with thousands of exciting products are your most complete source for what's available in every scale, plus helpful modeling terms, ideas, and tips. Walthers, a leading manufacturer and distributor of model trains and railroad equipment for 70 years. To learn more, visit us on the web at walthers.com. And welcome to model railroading.
Want to know more about the world's greatest track? Discover Atlas. With over 50 years' experience in scale model railroading, you're on the right track with Atlas. Our lineup includes HO Code 100, 83 and True Track, N Code 80 and 55, O 3-rail track, diesel locomotives with exquisite detail, structures, rolling stock, and more. For product information, visit our website.
Great railroading adventures begin with Bachmann Easy Track. Bachmann's patented track system snaps together and stays together. Easy Track is simple to use and can be run on any flat surface, from a simple oval on your living room floor to the most realistic professional layout you can imagine. Visit your local hobby retailer and discover for yourself why Bachmann Easy Track is the best-selling track system in the world.
Model Railroader magazine keeps you on the right track for scale model trains every month, while Garden Railways magazine shows you how to take the fun of model trains outdoors.